What is the difference between an uncontested and a contested divorce in Massachusetts? Let's talk about that. Hi, I'm attorney Paul Whalen from Afford Law. There are two ways to get divorced in Massachusetts. So the first way is a contested divorce. And that's what people usually think about when they think about divorce. So that's the process you have to go through where one party files the paperwork with the court, has to serve the other party. So that means they have to get a sheriff to deliver the paperwork to the other party. The other party has to respond with what's called an answer, and then the fight is on from there. So after that, there's the discovery phase where you exchange information. There are interrogatories that are filed. Perhaps there's a deposition which takes place. Requests for productions of documents. You have to provide financial forms and your bank statements and your tax statements for the past few years or so, and it can get really contentious. And it takes a long time, and it's very stressful. That is a contested divorce. An uncontested divorce, on the other hand, is where both parties agree on all of the issues of the divorce. So what happens is you and your spouse get together before filing any paperwork, sit down and hammer out all the details on each and every issue of your divorce. So when I say each and every issue, that includes division of assets, division of debts, alimony if there's any, child custody and child support, parenting time if you have minor children together. There are retirement benefits that need to be divided, perhaps. So everything in an uncontested divorce must be agreed upon by both you and your spouse. There are three big advantages, again, to an uncontested divorce. It's less money, it is less time, and it is less stressful. And it's less stressful, especially if you have children. There's less stress on the children because you're preserving as much as you can the relationship between you and the other parent. Therefore, going forward, you'll be able to work together as co-parents and moving forward. So if there's even one issue that's not agreed upon between you and your spouse, you'll have to go you have to go the contested divorce route. So even if everything is agreed upon except, let's say, alimony, if there's even just one issue, then you have to go on the contested route, and that's going to take longer and cost you more money, and certainly would be more stressful. So if parties can agree on all the terms, an uncontested divorce is certainly the way to go. It's the best way to move forward with your life and to ensure the happiness of your children. It really is, if at all possible, it's the best way for you to move forward. If you have any questions, please feel free to visit us at affordlaw.org. We'd be happy to answer any questions you might have. Feel free to book a free virtual consultation with me. I would be happy to answer any questions that you might have as well. Because at Afford Law, we're making justice affordable.